Aloha Kauai, this is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, June 21st. The State Department of Health reports that statewide, 57% of residents have been fully vaccinated with 62% initiating a vaccine. When the state reaches 60% fully vaccinated, Kauai will move to Tier 5, which will further loosen restrictions. To view the new Kauai tier chart, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. We will continue to keep the public updated as we move closer to this next milestone. Today we have no new cases. No one is hospitalized. We have 18 active cases and 27 individuals are in quarantine. Our cumulative case count is 388, including 345 confirmed locally, 3 probable, and 40 tested out of state, off island, but reported after the arrival to Kauai. Masks are no longer required outdoors, but they are still required indoors and continue to be recommended for larger, crowded outdoor gatherings. We have invited our District Health Officer, Dr. Janet Berriman, to give us an update on our COVID situation here on Kauai.
Thank you, Mayor. Last week, the Department of Health announced that the Delta COVID variant, originally detected in India, had been found in our state. The CDC also declared Delta to be a variant of concern. So how concerned should we be? It helps to understand a few things about the variant. First, it's more transmissible than other forms of the virus, meaning it spreads even more rapidly and easily. Second, there's some indication that it may cause more severe disease than other strains. This is still being studied, so we don't know for sure. Those two things are worrisome. But the third thing is the most important, and it is good news. Our current vaccines provide excellent protection against all known variants, including the Delta variant. So yes, we should be concerned about new variants. We certainly expect them to become more and more common, as they have elsewhere. But our concern should move us to act. Vaccination protects us from the Delta variant. If you are not vaccinated and are worried about the Delta variant, please get vaccinated today. That single step will protect you, your loved ones, and our community. Mahalo.
Thank you, Dr. Berriman. One of the reasons our community has been so successful in our COVID response has been through the assistance of the Hawaii National Guard. More than 100 Guard personnel, most of them from other islands, have helped perform more than 4,400 vaccinations, respond to nearly 13,000 calls to the Emergency Operations Center, and conduct more than 90,000 quarantine compliance and wellness checks, screened more than 200,000 passengers at the airport. As Governor Ige lifted the inter-island quarantine on June 15th, most of the off-island Guard members left Thursday to return to their home islands. A small team will remain to manage temperature screening stations at the airport through September 30th. Major Francis Lisette of the Hawaii Air National Guard is the outgoing commander of the Guard's Task Force Kauai, here to say a few words about the mission.
Thank you, Mayor Kawakami. As the last commander of Task Force Kauai, it was my pleasure to lead and be amazed at the partnership between members of Task Force Kauai and the Kauai County Emergency Management Team. This pandemic has changed us all. Many hands made light work of past stressful times, and it taught us that together, Guard, County, and our community could prevail to see our island home restored. We take with us the memories of our mission and know the Garden Isle is in good hands. Mahalo.
Mahalo, Major Lisette. It was bittersweet for us to say goodbye as the team members became part of our Kauai Ohana over the past 15 months. We are forever indebted for the team's continued service. The inter-island travel quarantine has been lifted. Inter-island travelers are no longer required to complete a safe travels profile to travel between islands. Additionally, if you have been fully vaccinated with at least one of your doses administered in Hawaii, you're now exempt from the Trans-Pacific travel quarantine. You must upload a copy of your vaccine card to your Safe Travels profile to qualify for the exemption. As of Monday, the state has reached 57% fully vaccinated residents. When the state reaches 60% fully vaccinated, individuals vaccinated anywhere in the United States will be able to bypass the travel quarantine with proof of vaccination through the state's Safe Travels program. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. If you have recently returned from travel or have been around travelers, please get a free COVID-19 test at the convention hall Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. No appointment needed. Please do not show up to the convention hall clinic if you have symptoms and instead call your healthcare provider. All Kauai residents aged 12 and older are eligible to receive a vaccine. All 3 Kauai hospitals and Lihue Longs are administering the Pfizer vaccine to people aged 12 and older. Minors ages 12 to 17 years old must be accompanied to their appointment by a parent or guardian. Adults 18 and older can also make appointments for the Pfizer, Moderna, and J&J vaccines at pharmacies and clinics around the island. For the full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Health officials are planning several upcoming pop-up vaccine clinics in the coming weeks for those 18 and older. They are sponsored by Ho'olalahui Community Health Clinic in partnership with Malamapono Health Services, the Kauai District Health Office, and the County of Kauai. A pop-up vaccine clinic for people aged 18 and older will be held at Rob's Good Times Grill this Saturday, June 26. To register, please call the Ho'olalahui hotline at 808-938-0938. They will work to accommodate walk-ins, but please let them know you're coming if you can. We hope to expand our vaccination with new mobile vaccination and testing vans, and we are now looking for individuals interested in staffing the vans. We're looking for trained vaccinators, specimen collectors, lab workers, and drivers. Interested candidates may send their resumes to cynthia.chiang@doh.hawaii.gov. Once again, for any information on vaccination locations, including pop-up and mobile clinic sites, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. The governor has announced a new rewards program with prizes for people who are vaccinated locally. You can sign up at higotvaccinated.com. Prizes include free travel, car leases, restaurant meals, gift certificates, and lots more. We continue to ask everyone, including incoming travelers, to download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification which alerts you if you have been in close contact with someone exposed to COVID-19. This app does not track your location. The county's Coronavirus Rental and Utility Assistance Program is still available in partnership with KGE-FCU. If you or someone you know is having trouble with paying rent or utility bills, encourage them to apply to this program. To apply online or for a list of assistance events, visit kauaiRentHelp.com/home. Please continue to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Wear your masks when indoors, wash your hands, keep your distance, avoid large gatherings, and of course, consider getting a vaccine. Mahalo for helping to keep Kauai safe, and remember, I got vaccinated, Hai got vaccinated. Aloha.